Got a table base from Flowyline Design. They build these really cool metal bases with adjustable feet that I was introduced to probably about 3.5, 4 years ago. And I use them a lot. They're phenomenal. They're very unique. I've never seen a company, a metal table base company that does the kind of bases they do. And in this situation, I'm pretty excited to have this piece from Flowyline as the base to this table. So, can you imagine? Now this has so many purposes. This is perfect size if you wanted to do your own jigsaw puzzle. Cocktail table, card table, whatever you want this to be. I'm super excited to have this come out and be finished. I'm not hitting my knees on the base. I've got a lot of clearance. It's bar top height, so bar stools. Like, I want one of these. This thing is pretty spectacular. I'm thrilled to see what it's going to look like when it's all sanded, smooth, and finished and attached to the base.